How to make highlights on Facebook. So hi guys, first thing is to sign into our Facebook account. So here I'm using a web browser. So let's just scroll down a bit more. You can see my profile here. So in our profile, in the left hand side, you can see this corner and there's an edit featured button. So let's click on that edit featured button. Alright. So here you can see my highlights or my collection of highlights. So in order for us to edit or add into one of our collections, just click on this pencil and hit on add more. Okay, once done, select a story that you would like to add to your collection. So for example, this story, and click on done. Once everything's all good, click save and let's check if it shows up on our album. Alright, that's about it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.